Hey there, I'm Hannah, and this is T-Strap from Elephantito. Here we have a premium leather upper with perforated design here, not to mention there is a hook and loop here on the side for easier on and off wear. Inside, we do have a padded collar so that way your little one has a little bit of extra heel support. Inside there is a breathable leather lining followed by a cushioned leather insole, not to mention a fabulous durable rubber outsole here too. Your little one is going to look absolutely stunning in her super cute new pink shoes from Elephantito.